Today I will show you how to download code from Emergent. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Emergent is an AI agent that helps you to build applications faster. And if you want to get started with Emergent, check out the link below and you can get started with it. So to download code from Emergent AI, I'd assume you've used Emergent already, and then you have a project that you've either deployed or created with Emergent AI. And once you click on it, this is how it's gonna look like. You're gonna have a preview of your project here, and because it's been a while I used my agent, it says agent went to sleep due to inactivity. So once I click this, it's gonna wake up. Now that my agent is awake, you can see the update here that says agent is waiting. Once I click on this code, it's gonna link me to a different page, but it says VS Code link and then access VS Code in browser. So I'm gonna open in browser and I'm gonna input the password that I copied. Now once it's loaded and you can verify that this is the application that you want, this is the code that you want to download, what you can do is you can select all of the folders under the application. So you select all folders, you right click, and then you click on download. Once you click on download, it's going to ask you for a folder where you want to save it on your computer, and then you choose the folder where you want to download it at. Once you click select, it's going to ask you again, you click select again. It's asking you for each folder, and once it's all done, you're done with all the folders for it to download to. You see down here it's gonna say downloading, and it's gonna show you the number of items that it's downloading. Now once that's done, you should have your code from Emergent. That's how you download code from Emergent on your computer locally. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.